हेलो व्यूअर्स, मैं हरीश शुक्ल आपका स्वागत करता हूं। इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे लीनियर कांग्रुएंस। वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करिएगा और बेल आइकन प्रेस करना न भूलिएगा। अ कांग्रुएंस ऑफ द फॉर्म AX is congruent to B mod M where X is unknown is called a linear congruence. If there exists C belongs to Z such that AC is congruent to B mod M, AC is congruent to B mod M, we say that C is a solution of the linear congruence AX is congruent to B mod M. Now a theorem. Consider the linear congruence AX is congruent to B mod M. Let C be a solution of the linear congruence. If C is congruent to D mod M, then D is also a solution of the linear congruence. Now proof. Since C is a solution of the linear congruence AX congruent to B mod M, we have AC is congruent to B mod M. By symmetry implies B is congruent to AC mod M. Again इसको मिटा देते हैं। Again, if C is congruent to D mod M implies AC is congruent to AD mod M. Set 1. Implies AD is congruent to AC mod M. इसको मिटा देते हैं, इसकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, गलत लिख दिया, ये ज़रूरत पड़ेगी नहीं, छोड़ देते हैं। We have AC is congruent to B mod M, number 1. C is congruent to D mod M given, implies AC is congruent to AD mod M. From symmetry, AD is congruent to AC mod M by symmetry. Since congruence is symmetric relations, लिख नहीं रहे हैं, since congruence is a symmetric relation. Now from 1 and 2 applying transitivity, A is congruent to AC, AC is congruent to B, hence applying transitivity, we have AD is congruent to B mod M. That is, D is also a solution of the linear congruence AX is congruent to B mod M. Now another theorem. Consider the linear congruence AX is congruent to B mod M. This linear congruence will have a solution if and only if GCD of AM divides B. If and only if GCD of AM, that is greatest common divisor or highest common factor of AM divides B. Only then this linear congruence will have a solution. Now proof. Let C be a solution. Let C be a solution of the linear congruence Ax is congruent to B mod M, implies AC is congruent to B mod M, implies AC is equal to B plus MQ for some Q belongs to Z, implies AC minus MQ is equal to B. Since GCD of AM will divide A as well as M, and hence GCD of AM will divide AC minus MQ and hence B. This will divide A and GCD of M will divide M, implies GCD of AM will divide AC minus MQ and hence GCD of A and M will divide B. It is the first half of the proof. For the second half, let GCD of AM divides B, then we have to show that the linear congruence will have a solution. I have proved that if the linear congruence has a solution, then GCD of A and M divides B. Now I prove if GCD of A M is dividing B, it divides B, then the linear congruence will have a solution. So conversely, let AM divides B. Let AM is equal to D. Then we can have two integers u, v belongs to Z such that AU plus MV is equal to D. Since AM divides B, this D divides B, we may write V is equal to DQ for some Q belongs to Z. Multiplied by Q, we have AUQ plus MVQ is equal to DQ. Again, we can write AUQ is equal to DQ, that is B. DQ is equal to B. B plus M minus VQ. From this, it is clear that AUQ is congruent to B mod M. That is, UQ is a solution of linear congruence AX congruent to B mod M. We have shown that if GCD of AM divides B, then the linear congruence will have a solution. Another theorem. Another theorem. Another theorem. Consider the linear congruence AX is congruent to B mod M. Let AM divides B. Let AM is equal to D and D divides B. Since D is the GCD of A and M, D will divide A as well as M. And since D, given that D divides B, we can have A is equal to D A dash, B is equal to D B dash, and M is equal to D M dash. Since D divides A, D divides B, D divides M, we can have A is equal to D A dash, B is equal to D B dash, M is equal to D M dash, where A dash, B dash, M dash all are integers. This is linear congruence 1. Now consider another linear congruence. Consider A dash X is congruent to B dash mod M dash. This linear congruence is 2. Then the theorem is every solution of 1 is also a solution of 2 and vice versa, and vice versa. And we show that number of incongruent solutions of 1 is D. Let us prove. Come here. Let C be a solution of 1. Then AC is congruent to B mod M. Put the values of A, B and M. We have D A dash C is congruent to DB dash mod D M dash, implies dividing by D, we have A dash C is congruent to B dash mod M dash. Hence, if C is a solution of the linear congruence 1, this C is also a solution of the linear congruence 2. Now, if C is the solution of linear congruence 2, multiply by D, then D A dash C is congruent to DB dash mod D M dash. इसको ले लेते हैं. इफ प्रूफ ही कर लेते हैं अलग से. इफ C is a solution of linear congruence 2, then A dash C is congruent to B dash mod M dash, implies A dash C is equal to B dash plus m dash q for some q multiply by d, dA dash c is equal to dB dash plus dm dash q. That is AC is equal to B plus MQ, and hence AC is congruent to B mod MQ. If C is solution of 2, then we have shown that C is solution of 1 also. If both linear congruences 1 and 2 will have the same set of solutions. Now we show that the number of incongruent solutions of 1 is D and that of 2 is 1. को मिटाते हैं, आगे चलते हैं. Let C be a solution of A dash x is congruent to B dash mod m. Then A dash c is congruent to B dash mod m dash. Let D be another solution of the linear congruence 2, then A dash D is congruent to B dash mod m dash. From this and this we have A dash C is congruent to A dash D mod m dash, implies m dash divides A dash C minus A dash D, m dash divides A dash C minus D. Since m dash and A dash are co-prime, implies m dash will divide C minus D, and hence C is congruent to D mod m dash. So we have seen that solutions of linear congruence 2 are congruent modulo m dash. Now if C is a solution of 1 or 2, since every solution of 1 is solution of 2 and every solution of 2 is a solution of 1, every solution of 2, each solution of 2 are congruent modulo m dash. So just we have to prove that number of incongruent solutions of 2 is just 1, we have seen. Number of incongruent solutions of 1 is exactly D. So let us show it again. Let C be the solution of 1 or 2. Let C be a solution of 1 and 2. Since every solution of 1 is also a solution of 2, if solution of 1 is C, then it is also a solution of 2. So we have taken C a solution of 1 and 2. Then consider C plus m dash, C plus 2m dash, C plus D minus 1 m dash. Consider these D integers. Since they are all congruent modulo m dash, they are all solutions of 2 and hence they are all solutions of 1. If add C plus dm dash, then this C and C plus dm dash will become congruent modulo m. But these D elements are incongruent modulo m. So hence number of incongruent solutions of linear congruence 1 is D. लिनियर कांग्रेंस में इतना ही. वीडियो आपको पसंद आया हो तो शेयर और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करेंगे।